GSD Parks, please stand up. I am honored and pleased to be able to present this award for the 2022-2023 school year. Ms. Parks has been selected as the Granite Teacher of the Year.
Thank you. This is huge. We have the best faculty and staff at Hunter High School. And I want you students to know and tell your teachers thank you, because the amount of time and sacrifice and love they give to you is insurmountable.
Seeing Mrs. Parks teach was one of the high points of my year. It's such a joy to join her in the classroom and see the impact that she is having on the lives of students. It was immediately apparent that her students know that when they are in her classroom, they are safe, welcome, and loved.
I am excited, overwhelmed, humbled, and proud at the same time. Humbled and proud. To my students, be proud of who you are. Celebrate who you are. Always strive to be kind and inclusive and work hard. And you can do anything you want to do.